Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you are wanting to delete your Facebook Reels history, in today's video we will be guiding you step by step. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. Start by opening up the Facebook application for that. And once you open up the Facebook application, you can go over and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and access your menu. This one right here, and you need to head over to your settings. So look out for settings and privacy and tap on it and select settings from the given menu and access your settings. Once you access your settings, you just need to scroll down from the given options and head over to the section called your activity, under which you'll be finding option for activity log. So head over and tap on it, and once you tap on it, you will be accessing your activity log. All you gotta do is look out for the option called videos watched and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be getting your accessing your videos that you watched. Now all you gotta do in order to delete the Reels history is here you will be seeing a list of all of the videos and Reels that you watched on your Facebook. So you can delete them by tapping on this option called clear video watch history like this and confirm that you would like to clear. Or if not this, you can go over and manually tap on the three dot right beside the reel that you watched and look out for the option called delete and confirm it up. And that way you can delete the reels history on your Facebook application. And that's it. So clearing your watching history can take some time. If you have a long history of videos watched, this process will remove all of your watch history for all of the videos and reels. So just not reels, you can just go over and follow up these steps and that should do it for you. So therefore, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.